I'm Supercar Spotter 305 and welcome to my brand new car, the 2015 Ford Fiesta Zetec S. So you're probably wondering, where is the Corsa? Why have I now got a Fiesta Zetec S? Well, the reasons are quite long, quite complicated, and I don't really want to go into them. I absolutely love this thing. It's just insane. It's such a good car. So it's a 1 litre turbocharged engine. It's the EcoBoost engine. It's a 1 litre EcoBoost. It's got 123 brake horsepower. And the top speed is 122 miles an hour. I must say, for a car with a 1 litre turbocharged engine, it does make quite a nice little rumble. We are now on some country roads, so let's go have a little bit of sensible fun, because it is December. Oh, hello. We've seemed to have already come across an issue. There is a tow truck in the middle of the road. Ah, I can see why. There has been a rather... yeah. That's not really a functioning car anymore. We're going to turn off for a little while. Right, so after that little pause, we are back now. The car has been moved, that had an accident, and we can go down on these country roads, remembering that things like that accident can happen all the time, so you need to be very, very careful on the roads. Anyway, that's my positive talk for the day done. Let's go for a drive. pull over and have a look at my car then. So let's have a look around the outside. So as we can see, it's got the ST style front grille, which looks very, very mean indeed. 17-inch alloy wheels. It's obviously the facelift 2014 or 2013 car. This one's got built-in side skirts, and then it's got not much of a rear diffuser. You can't really see anything underneath, but it does have this very nice spoiler. Personally, I like it the way it is. I did originally, before buying the car, thinking about getting the wheels blacked out, but I don't think I'm going to do that because I quite like the silver wheels on it. Even though I said when I first started driving that I would never buy a car with silver wheels, but there we go. Apologies for the for how dirty the car is. I didn't have time to go get it cleaned, and it is actually Christmas Eve today, so all car washes are shut. All the hand car washes, at least, are shut today. So you're gonna have to make do with it being dirty, but yes, it's a very, very nice car indeed. I am extremely happy with the car. I found probably one of the nicest examples in my area. So let's take a look at the inside of the car. If I unlock it, it is very, very nice indeed inside. The seats have this really nice, cool pattern on them, which I quite like. Wasn't sure at first, but yeah, they're quite cool. You step in. There we go. This is the interior of the car. So you've got all your... Let me shut the door because it's a little chilly outside. So you've got all your multimedia infotainment system here. So, for example, I turn the car on. Let me just get the keys out of my pocket. Clutch down, car on. There we go. So you've got all sorts of things. So if we go to the menu, you've got all your settings and stuff in here. You've got your phone book, which is... yeah, you got your aux and your radio, your CD and everything, which is all good. Volume control. It's all controlled through this thing here, which is very, very cool indeed. So if we just go back onto the aux page here, these are the dials I was talking about earlier in the video. They just look really nice and cool. So you've got all your information up here. If it will focus, you've got your miles, average MPG, average speed, amount of miles I've done. Okay, so I haven't put 500 miles, I've put about 350 miles on the car, trip and all that. Got your fuel gauge there, and speedo, which like I said, the car goes 122 miles an hour. Not that I'm going to put it that far or push it that far. This car has hill start assist, which I can't demonstrate to you now. It also has eco mode or start stop, which you can turn on and off here. 5-speed manual. It's a very, very nice gearbox. Just slides in very easily. Storage wise in this car is actually, there's loads of it. There's a little cubby hole down here, which I can't actually open because I'm using my wrong hand. The glove box is huge. You've got a center console bit here, 2 cup holders, a little bit of storage space here and here. Side door pockets are massive. Yeah, it's just very, very spacious in this car. I'm going to turn it off now, so let me just take this out. Have a look in the back of the car. So in the back, I've not actually sat in here yet, but yeah, standard stuff, very spacious. Oh, I've just dropped the keys. Very spacious indeed. Very, very cool. Nothing really much to show you there. Just put keys up. And then if we go round to the boot, which you can undo by pressing that button down there twice, and it pops the boot for you. And yeah, the boot is sort of spacious. We've got a little bit of stuff in here at the moment, but yeah, quite a nice, decent sized boot. So very, very nice all-round car, and I'm very happy with it. Very, very nice. Now, in the comment section of my last video, when I picked up a new car, I noticed a lot of people saying, how much did it cost? How much is insurance and all that sort of stuff. There will be a full video on the costs of this car, the running costs of this car, I should say, and the insurance of this car, coming at some point in the near future, probably early 2018. So guys, that is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you like my new car as much as I do. I am over the moon with it, and it is honestly the perfect way to round off 2017. It has been an amazing year for me, and I hope it's been an amazing year for you guys as well. This video is probably going to be the last video of 2017. I'm actually filming it on Christmas Eve, which is today, the same day the video is going to go out actually. So yeah, have a very Merry Christmas. I hope you all have an amazing time with your family and friends over this break. And yeah, I'm looking forward for the adventures in this car in 2018. I hope you guys are as well. Quick note on videos. I've still got quite a few videos to come from 2017. I've got about 5 or 6, maybe 7 videos to release still from this year. So I will edit them all over the Christmas break, hopefully, and put them up very early 2018, so we can get started with fresh content in 2018. But for now, you're going to be seeing a few old videos, but that doesn't matter. It's still good content. But yeah, for now guys, thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Hope you like my car, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you all in 2018.